somebody asks that what happens if we assign something to get display string. We get an error. The error we get is the property display string has no setter. There's nothing for the compiler to do. I'm not sure about how this is nightmarish for external users. Properties actually make things a lot cleaner for external users, because instead of having to write code like this, we can simply say product1.name. Yeah, properties have one or two methods inside of it. They either have a getter or a setter, or they have a getter and a setter. And yes, you can make set-only properties. I don't think I've ever made a property that's set-only, but it's possible. I don't know why you would do that, but you can. Can we use other methods inside a property other than get and set? No. A property may only have a getter or a setter or both. It cannot have anything else. For setting, is it better to use methods? It completely depends. Very commonly, I don't use public setters on properties very often. That's just how my style has evolved myself. I will very commonly have methods instead of setters. I'll have public getters, but I won't have public setters. And that's a stylistic thing that I do. I find that it's a little bit more explicit when you have a method, and it makes a little bit more sense to me. Are there any good uses of public fields? Not any, actually. I mean, making statements like that in regards to programming is very difficult for me to do, but to be honest, I don't see any reason to use a public field. It just doesn't work.